wenglor sensors and image processing technologies are used in all industries worldwide. But their reliability, performance, and quality promise are not only demonstrated in the smart factories of our customers. After all, wenglor products are used in almost every division of wenglor itself, because trust begins right here. Over 60,000 containers are automatically placed in and removed from the automated small parts warehouse and transported to the shuttle by conveyor technology. An important process for this is measuring the depth of the compartment. Long-range laser distance sensors are used for this purpose, which apply the functional principle of transit time technology. They measure into the compartments and thus record the compartment depth. The location of the containers is also detected. With this information, the shuttle can grip the containers when they are removed from storage and detects free spaces when placing them in storage. Retro-reflex sensors in wonky design are used for overhang monitoring. They check whether the containers have been correctly picked up on the shuttle. This prevents a possible crash or the containers from protruding. By using these sensors, wenglor enables reliable and efficient storage technology. This results in a high delivery capacity of 99% for customers around the world.